Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video on how you can unlock iPhone if you have forgotten your password. So I'll be showing you the steps on how you can unlock your iPhone. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So for this method you need a laptop and a cable. You can either use your Windows or your MacBook, and after that a cable that comes along with your phone or the USB cord in simple terms. Now if you have these materials, what you need to do is first of all you need to open up your laptop, and after that you need to download and install iTunes on your laptop. So once you have completely downloaded as well as installed your iTunes, what you need to do next is you need to plug your iPhone with the computer using a data cable or the USB cord. So once you have plugged it, then you need to turn off your iPhone using the method for your model. Now moving on, you need to set up your iPhone in a recovery mode. Now you need to get ready by finding the button on your iPhone that you need to be holding it in the next step. So you need to long press on it or you need to hold on it. You need to keep holding the button until you see the recovery mode on your screen, and then you can release your hand. Now you need to restore your iPhone. So for that, what you need to do is you need to locate your iPhone in the Finder or in the iTunes on the computer that is connected to. So after that, you need to click on restore when you see the option, and if you're not able to see the restore option, then you can simply tap on update as well. Now the computer will start to download software for your iPhone and begins to restore your iPhone. So for the note, what you need to do is if the download takes more than 15 minutes and if the device exits the recover mode screen, what you need to do is you need to let it finish the download first, and then you need to turn off your iPhone and then start again. And after that, you need to wait for the process to finish it, and once it is completed, you need to disconnect your iPhone from the computer, which means that you need to unplug it. And after done setting up, and in case if you don't know how to set up your iPhone or iPad, you can simply watch my video. I will make sure to leave the link on my description box on how you can set up your iPhone. So after you have set up your iPhone, you're now ready to use it, and that was the method on how you can unlock iPhone if you have forgotten your password. So that was all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.